Get in there.
Stop.
You didn't get it right.
It's recording.
No, I meant she didn't get it right. Stop laughing, you're shaking. If she drops a big old turd, we're going to do an evacuation. Alright, well.
No, I'm trying to record it. Let her go. She's just digging. Oh, there we go. There she goes. Didn't dig enough.
Oh God, we're going to get the big one. Here it comes. I can see it. Oh.
Lola. Lola.
Wait.
Just gotta cover it.